So this is my kitchen cupboard right now. It's a hot mess. I have my different condiments and seasoning powders and stuff in a tray like this. The whole idea of this tray was like when I have to clean the cupboard, I just basically pull out this tray and clean the cupboard and put back in the tray. But now with this idea that I had, where if I have to get any of these different condiments or seasoning and stuff, I have to maybe dig up to the back and, you know, shift around and that sort of thing, you know. Sometimes it can be a little annoying to get what it is I need. So I bought one of these turnable platform. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is what I bought. It's a turnable plateau that is called, and you can see here right now I just press it down like this and it spins. Let me just put a few items in it quickly so you can see. Oh my goodness, look at the presentation of this, how neat and tidy this looks. And like I said before, I could put the different size of bottle anyhow. I just have to take out what it is I need, put it back, and I am so impressed with this. I like this a lot. I am so happy I got this because it really used to be a torture to get the items that I needed and to put it back and make it look tidy and stuff. This looks so presentable in my kitchen cupboard right now, and there's space to the back. I could probably put some items that I don't use on a regular basis to the back, you know, not in this but to the back of it. And I think I will get some more to put on the top shelf because I have some other products on the top shelf that, you know, sometimes it's difficult for me to reach, you know. So I'll just having the turntable would be a big help. This is so amazing. Absolutely love it. Absolutely.